Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your gender in Spotify. So let's dive in. First, open the Spotify on your browser. This process is not available directly on app, so we need a desktop site. So tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select desktop site. Here you can log in your account. After logging in, you can click on your profile picture on the top right, and here you can select account. Scroll down till you see edit profile. Here you can adjust the gender, name and other details. Make your changes, then click save. After you're done, Spotify will update your new information. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.